Ladies and gentlemen, in this video tutorial, I'll provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called BackMyData. BackMyData is the ransomware that is able to considerably damage the files that you store on the hard drives. Well, before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your data without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this BackMyData ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and then very soon users just realize that all their files are no longer accessible or available. The ransomware is able to encrypt and damage the files considerably. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware appends a special extension called BackMyData to the file names, and it's impossible to use the files. Then the ransomware reveals a special ransom note where it indicates that a special ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea because this does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting the data recovered. So do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable antivirus program. I recommend you to use a special program called Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. To get there, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software. This is the way it looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on the Start Scan button. The application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, so do not skip this very important step. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. You'll see the summary of threats at the end of scan. Some threats can be removed manually, of course, by going to those locations in the report, but I recommend you to upgrade to Premium because you can also request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Now, speaking about file decryption, please pay attention to the description for this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.